Hey, how you guys doing right now? This is Pastor Larry with TYT carpet cleaning. Right now I'm in the process of cleaning carpet. Show you the before. Hey, what's going on? This is me. I'm Pastor Larry from TYT Cleaning. I'm just finished up the job that you guys just watched right now. I just want you guys to know that sometimes in carpet cleaning, it don't always work out the way that you expect it to work out. I was at this job site, I was doing it, and no pressure in my water. Oh my God, what else can go wrong? This is the first time with the customer, everything like that. But sometimes you have to believe. You have to believe in God. You have to give it to Him because He's the one that's giving you the contracts to do the job. So I just said, you know what? We got to do something. And He said, you have more equipment in the truck. So I used the bonding method with the pads and stuff like that. And man, it came out wonderful. It came out beautiful, you know. And so sometimes when you're doing something in life, if it don't work out the way you expect it, breathe, take it easy, have a little faith. One more time, thank you guys for tuning in, and be ready for the next one.